Welcome back to the Sweet Spot with Dr. Derek Sweet, a board-certified psychiatrist specializing in sports and performance. In the Sweet Spot, we explore what it takes to stay steady and perform when the pressure is on and the moment matters. Stay tuned for Dr. Sweet's Slow Down Sunday.
You don't have to sail the 7 seas and get on the deepest ocean in order to find yourself. You don't have to climb the highest mountain. You don't have to go to the mountaintop to get enlightenment. The universe, if you're paying attention, is always speaking. The universe always has an answer. Start with where you are right now. Look around you. Look in your own bedroom and see what the universe is communicating to you right now. Could it be that the fan is telling you, hey man, be cool, take it easy? Is the roof or the ceiling telling you, aim higher, go high? Is that clock saying now is always the time? And what about that mirror? What's that mirror telling you? Start with me. You look out the window, and what is that message? See the world. And the calendar. Stay up to date. Keep up. And what about the door? Push hard and achieve your goals.
Thank you for listening to The Sweet Spot with Dr. Derek Sweet. If today's message was helpful, please feel free to share it and subscribe. There's no cost to subscribing, and it helps others discover the show. We hope you'll join us again tomorrow for yet another inspiring message from Dr. Sweet and the Sweet Spot team. For science, soul, and success, stay with the Sweet Spot.